Good morning, children. In the last session, we are studying about the different chemical properties of metals. In that, we have seen reaction of metal with oxygen, reaction of metals with water. Now, the third reaction we are going to study, that is reaction of metals with acids. Now, in this reaction, many metals react with acids. It liberates hydrogen gas, which we have already studied in chapter 2. Only less reactive metals such as copper, silver, gold, they do not liberate hydrogen gas when metals react with dilute acids. So therefore these metals we call as less reactive. Now the reaction of metals with dilute HCl and with dilute H2SO4 are similar. With HCl they give with metal chloride and hydrogen gases evolve, where with sulfuric acid, it gives metal sulfates and hydrogen. But children, here there is one metal, that is HNO3. When HNO3 reacts with metals, it does not release H2 gas except magnesium and manganese. Magnesium and manganese are the two metals. When HNO3 react with it release, or I can say liberate hydrogen gas. While with other metals, it does not release H2 gas. Now what is the reason behind that? Very first, that HNO3 is nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the hydrogen and produce H2O. Instead of H2, now what is releasing H2O? What is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent means what? Which makes other oxidize. So here H2SO4 makes hydrogen oxidize. It gets hydrogen oxidized. So H2, instead of H2, now what release? H2O. As itself it gets reduced to oxides of nitrogen such as NO, NO2 or N2O. However, magnesium and manganese when react with HNO3, it release H2 gas. Now why with magnesium and manganese? Because magnesium and manganese are the strong reducing agent. So when these metals react with HNO3, normally it gives salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. But while other metals, it does not liberate hydrogen gas. What is the reason behind it? Because HNO3, nitric acid, is a strong oxidizing agent. What is oxidizing agent? Which makes other oxidize. So here HNO3 makes hydrogen oxidize, and instead of releasing hydrogen, now what it release? H2O. Then itself it get reduced. It get reduced into any nitrogen oxides, or we can say any nitrogen compounds. For example, N2O, NO or NO2. So children, the rate of formation, okay, it depends on the reactivity series. So this is how the reaction of metals with HNO3, with dilute HNO3. But you know children, the least reactive metals like platinum, gold, they do not dissolve in common acids. They are soluble in one reagent which we call as aqua regia. Here you can see aqua regia. Aqua regia is a reagent which is a mixture of 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid. It can dissolve gold, even either HCl or HNO3 cannot dissolve gold. So aqua regia is a reagent which is highly corrosive and fuming liquid. It is one of the best reagent to dissolve the noble metals such as gold and platinum. So here we can say that gold, platinum, they do not dissolve. These least reactive metals, they do not dissolve even in the dilute HCl, H2SO4, or I can say HNO3, but they can dissolve in a strong reagent which is known as aqua regia. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated HCl and HNO3 with the ratio of 3:1. So such metals can easily dissolve. So children, this is all about reactions of metals with acids. I repeat again, when metals react with acids, we get salt and hydrogen gas, which we have already studied in chapter 2. But when metals react with HCl, it gives metal chloride and hydrogen gas. When metals react with H2SO4, it gives metal sulfate plus hydrogen gas. But with dilute HNO3, this won't be possible except with magnesium and manganese. What is the reason behind that? HNO3, that is nitric acid, it's a strong oxidizing agent. What is oxidizing agent? Which makes other oxidize. So here this oxidizing agent oxidize hydrogen. So instead of hydrogen, now what it releases? Water, and then itself get reduced into any nitrogen oxides. Now which nitrogen oxides? It may be N2O, NO or NO2. So here HNO3 only reacts with magnesium and manganese, Mg and Mn, then only it evolves H2 gas. Now why only with magnesium and manganese? Magnesium Mg, manganese Mn. So why it reacts with magnesium and manganese and evolve H2 gas? Because magnesium and manganese have the property that it is a strong reducing agent. So such metals like dilute HNO3, when react with magnesium and manganese, it gives salt and evolve H2 gas. So in the next video, we'll study about the different topic, that is reaction of metals with solution of other metals. Thank you.